Here's a morning movement routine that is great for your hips, your pelvic floor, your shoulders, and your spine. We start out simply by breathing deep down into our belly. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Let the low back and the rib cage expand. And now we're going to create sniffs, forceful sniffs in through the nose, like this. Keeping the tongue on the roof of the mouth. And after the sniffs, we're going to create forceful exhales like we're blowing out a candle, like this. Notice the movement in the core as this happens. And now we're going to do head nods. Look up with the eyes, take the head all the way up as far as it'll go. Look down with the eyes and let the head go down as far as it'll go. Move where you can, but don't move into pain. Now we're looking left and right like you're trying to find your back pockets, if you had pockets. And now we're doing some gentle bouncing. This is great for the health of the pelvic floor, as are the sniffs and the forceful candle blowing. Now we're going to push down through our palms and we're bouncing up and down here. You're going to really feel this around your shoulder blades and your scapula. And here we move into rocking back and forth on the forearms. This is fantastic for waking up the muscles in between your shoulder blades, and it can be very helpful for winging scapula. And now we're going to bounce on our hands and knees. And now we're doing sniffs again, in through the nose. Keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth. And now we're forcefully blowing out the candle again. You will feel this in your center and your pelvic floor. It's a great way to strengthen your diaphragm as well. And now, gentle bouncing back and forth here on our hands and knees. If you can even breathe in as you bounce down and breathe out as you bounce up. Same thing here. Now, much more range of motion, and we're rocking back and forth with a little bit of speed. You can breathe in at the bottom, out at the top. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And then now we're going to go back into head nods in the quadruped position. Eyes go up, head goes up, eyes go down, head goes down. And now we can do some really good feeling head rotations. Look how the body wraps all the way around. This is great for your spine. And again, you're just looking for your back pockets, or you're looking for your own tail. And now we're going to do some rocking with a wave. You're just going to try to let a wave flow through your body. It's almost like a moving cat-cow or a flowing cat-cow. Feels really good, by the way. And now my favorite, rocking Hindu push-ups from the knees. These feel amazing. They're great for the shoulders, the hips, the elbows, the wrist, the knees. these feel good, and it feels good to feel good. And now head rotations with the hips extended to the floor. This feels fantastic on the hip flexors. And to finish it all off, we're going to do some gentle bouncing in the squat. Again, this is great for the pelvic floor. This also helps give you a little bit of spring in your legs and your hips. And now we're going to do some gentle rotation, allowing the knee to drop all the way down to the floor as best you can. This feels fantastic. This also feels good in your spine. If you can't do this in the middle of the room, feel free to hold on to something sturdy and allow yourself to rotate back and forth. You can get more creative and lean back if you want to. And that is it. A simple daily recharge routine.
To learn more, consider attending an original strength certification.